And now, your Precision 18 forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
Or you might hear the rain and the wind here at the TV station. Storms coming in right now, right as we speak. And that wind gust of 57 miles an hour measured at Pine Village. Now the storm is moving right into West Lafayette right as we speak. Other storms a little farther north up around Rensselaer and also west of Francisville and Madairyville with some pretty heavy rain, a little gustiness to those. But this is the strongest storm right here on the west side. This little wind core, see this bright green wind core that, again, producing the 57-mile-per-hour wind gusts at Pine Village, and you can see that bright green spot that's moving right over the west side. So it wouldn't surprise me, even though we don't have a warning, parts of the West Lafayette area up towards Buck Creek and also just north of West Lafayette, we may have a very brief 50-60-mile-per-hour wind gust from this storm as it roars through. And you can see kind of the timetable on this. It'll be in Delphi about 15 minutes, Rossville 21 minutes, Flora 26 minutes, and then once we get around Brookston, I would say within about the next 5 minutes that coming through. Sunset 8:18 this evening. Some scattered showers and storms through the evening hours. 73 by 11 o'clock. 7:16 a.m. sunrise tomorrow. Couple showers overnight, then some patchy fog with a low down to 68. You can see the showers and storms in our area right now, but if we look, we've got another little cold front up in Minnesota, and that front will bring some scattered storms on Thursday that'll usher in much cooler weather as we move towards the middle part of September. But notice the two typhoons that are out here in the Pacific. There's one out here near South Korea and one right here near Japan. These two right here, these will merge with a trough that's coming into Russia right now. This will form a really deep trough in western Alaska, and what that will do is form a ridge in the western U.S. with a lot of heat, but when you do that, it's like shaking a rope. The cool air moves southward. So with that, that's why it's going to get so cool in mid-September, but that'll mean more hurricanes affecting the Carolinas rather than the Gulf Coast. So weather all interconnected here. Marginal risk of severe weather this evening and into tonight. Main risk would be wind and brief heavy rainfall. Here's 18 precision casts. There's 9. There's midnight, showers and storms around, but then just tapering to a couple showers later on tonight with some patchy fog developing. Maybe a shower or storm in our far southeast tomorrow. Otherwise, it's a dry day. Then Thursday evening, this cold front may pop a few storms as it comes through the area. Then again, a little cooler for Friday, much cooler after the 10th of September. So again, another yellow morning, just like this morning for a little fog. Otherwise, a high tomorrow of 86 degrees, still rather humid, and winds out of the south. Again, in the southeast, a couple showers and storms with highs 83 to 87. Though it's going to feel like the upper 80s to low 90s on Thursday. Patchy fog in the morning, then a few storms in the evening with a high of 88. Still rather humid, highs 85 to 89. But if you want the cooler weather, you've got it. You got a 79 Friday. Heats up for the weekend with some storms Sunday, Monday, perhaps some severe weather risk. Much cooler Tuesday, and by the end of next week, how about highs around 71 or 72 degrees?